Today we'll be making egg roll in a bowl. Start with 3 dry carrots. Season one of them with some floor pepper. Strip off their carrot clothes. Don't be shy. Cut them in half so they're easier to handle. You know I've got such small hands. Do you hear that? Sounds to me like the sweet song of a mandolin. Snack on what's left. Prep that cabbage and let's go to work. Shred that cabbage. Wow, that's a lot. Use your knuckles to sense if the pan is up to temp. Lube it up, it's almost meat time. Add in a pound of lean beef and brown it to your pleasure. Don't forget to season that beef. Leave some tiny little bits in the pan. Add in your stinky onions, followed by sticky garlic and ginger. Remember those carrots we julienned? Well, they're ready for more. Add in some of that green Fraggle hair. Okay, that's enough stirring. Get that meat back in there and add yourself a little soy, vinegar, and syrup. Grab a bowl, cause it's time for the snarfing contest. Garnish with a few little rapscallions, some black sesame seeds, and snarf away, little piggies. Till next time.